Morning guys, I am on my way to Osaka. I'm catching a bus. We've made a bit of a pit stop at a place called Kanagawa and a bit of a food stop with some little stores selling different hot foods. I think I might grab me a couple of fritters that I saw. And it's a beautiful day today, so we are heading on the bus down to Osaka. It's going to be like a 6-hour bus ride. I've decided to take the bus because I want to take some of the scenery footage along our trip, so looking forward to that. All right, look at all the food here. Food. What to buy, what to buy. Big pork buns here. Alright guys, time to head back to the bus. Beautiful day today. All the buses here having a pit stop. This is our bus right here. Alright. Alright guys, we are having another pit stop at a place called Hamamatsu, which is like a halfway point between Tokyo and Osaka, and this place is beautiful. Blue skies, and I can see some like massive windmills up there, windmill farms extracting the wind energy into electricity. But it is pit stop time and I'm gonna head inside here and grab some lunch to eat. Major lunch stop. First things first. Time to go to the WC. Time for business. Whoa, check that out. For the children. Isn't that cute? Only in Japan. Looks like gifts more than anything. What are those? Spring rolls. Time to eat some lunch. Gotta love the old Japanese noodles. And tofu. Alright guys, back on the bus. Alright guys, we have left the bus and we have arrived now at Osaka. It's a bit chilly here. I looked at the temperatures and it was like 12 degrees. Anyway, the accommodation is not too far away. I'm going to walk there and if I get time, maybe head on out and grab something to eat from a market or some street food. But we are here in Osaka.